Well, Asana CEO Dan Rogers joins me in studio with more. Dan, welcome.
It's a pleasure to be here.
Yeah, great to have you. I want to hear from your perspective, what are AI teammates?
Yeah, well, let's start with AI at work. So our big promise is we help teams and AI collaborate together for the enterprise. We all know AI agents are not performing very well at enterprises today. Well, why not? Because they don't have the context that they need, they don't have the checkpoints they need, and they don't have the controls that they need. AI teammates brings agents to the enterprise context, allowing the agentic enterprise to happen, but using the context of who's doing what, when, where, and how. The checkpoints of approvals, the back and forward between humans and AI, and the controls to make sure that not only are agents productive for you, but they're also safeguarded and they're on guardrails.
I do want to pause for just a moment. Dan, we are taking a live look. We were taking a live look there. Great, we have it on the screen. That's the NYSE President Lynn Martin in green alongside John Kemp. He is the CEO of Qnity Electronics. That company spinning off from DuPont today. When the stock market opens, you can find this stock trading under the ticker symbol Q. And John Kemp will join me a little bit later in the show. Dan, let's go back to Asana. AI is the buzzword of the year. There's no doubt about it. How do these AI teammates that you were describing earlier fit into Asana's overall mission?
Yeah, well, let's start with Asana's overall mission. Asana is really the platform for work. You can think of it as the central nervous system for who's doing what, by when, and how does it relate to your goals. We really deliver that value in three ways. The first is providing that visibility and accountability. So today, a lot of work is trapped in emails or in spreadsheets. But imagine a single source of truth where you can see all the tasks and what everyone is working on. That's really foundational. In addition to that, we add workflows and automation on top of that. So we take some of those pieces of work, anything that's routinizable, we can automate that to drive efficiency. But the next layer is where it gets really exciting, which is where we bring AI into the mix, AI into those workflows. But when you bring AI into the workflows, it's very important that you have the context of the work. AI is only as good as the understanding, the rich understanding of how you've solved those tasks in the past, who work needs to get assigned to, how this priority stacks up in your overall hierarchy of goals. When you understand all of this, then AI and the nodes of AI in that workflow become super relevant. I'll give you a couple of examples. Let's take Clear Channel. So Clear Channel Outdoors is one of our customers. They produce a lot of the billboards that you see around town, actually. Their creative team takes 1,500 creative requests every single month. That's a lot. It's a large amount of intake. But they have an AI teammate that sits alongside them. That AI teammate looks at those requests and says, which ones are important? In fact, let's make sure that we've got the right intake process. Oh, these forms aren't complete. Oh, we need to know a lot more information here. The AI will automatically push things back that don't meet the right specification for intake. Then the AI will work alongside them to make sure that the creative that they're putting in place matches the creative brief. So the end result is they save 3,000 hours a month with their creative teams working with Asana's AI agents alongside them. Another company, actually based in Chicago, Morningstar company you'll know very well. They use our AI teammates as well. Our AI teammates there are doing complex research for their clients on pricing models, on win-loss analysis. But those teammates sit right there in the workflow that already exists using all the context that Morningstar's customers already have. This is how you deliver real productivity and real value while maintaining the safety and controls that your enterprise deserves.
What differentiates Asana from its competitors?
Well, if you think about our heritage, we're the pioneer of work management. So that means we have visibility and accountability right there on the platform of who's doing what, when, and how. Take all that rich context. Now the AI has some guardrails upon which to operate. It's not the same as just consulting a foundational model. It's like consulting a foundational model that understands all of the tasks, how we solve this, who solved this, who needs to approve this next, which members of the team we need to bring in, who we need to notify next. That rich context allows AI to be productive. But we also, because we're an enterprise software company, have a lot of guardrails already in place. We don't want that AI model, as an example, to be able to look at all customer data or to have some other approval process that the humans aren't following. You can't let AI agents run rogue in the enterprise. So we put those agents on the same guardrails that humans are on within the organization. So now you have the productivity and you have the safety and controls.
How is Asana helping organizations work more efficiently? I know you obviously referenced some examples there, but how does this make companies more effective?
So the efficiency comes, I'd say, in three main ways. The first is actually just visibility and clarity, which means everyone's accountable. When all of your tasks are trapped in emails or your tasks are trapped in spreadsheets, there's really no idea of who's doing what. Furthermore, there's no idea of who's falling behind and whether we're meeting our goals. So that accountability drives efficiency and effectiveness. But then we apply workflows on top of that. And workflows are literally about taking routine tasks and making them go faster, making them smarter. And so putting those things on speed rails. When you bring AI into those workflows, AI can actually do a lot of the work itself. So the AI can actually take care of the intake process. The AI can take care of quality control. The AI can take care of routing of work to the right people. The AI can also take care of recommendations when things are risky or things are going wrong. And then finally, the AI can take care of reporting of a given workflow. All of these ways make productivity and the promise of productivity of AI delivered to the enterprise.
Great. Dan Rogers, he's Asana's CEO. Thank you, Dan, for joining me in studio.
A real pleasure. Thank you.
Great to have you.